So we had unexpectedly discontinued on the moment with the group adding functionality. So let's proceed with it. So we have refactored this function and it now accepts the department ID, which we could pass from the function where we are parsing the Excel file, and then we are gonna to check the group against both the existing name and department ID. But also we should add so let's first of all add this group. So, and for each here we are gonna to add the group name. So group name will be, let's copy that and let's look where is the group name. So group name is the 012, so the second one, and here we have the program name. So, and also let's specify the department ID, and so value return string. So the department ID here is the 01. Yeah, so that's correct. So here we have the department ID, here we have the group name, and then let's provide, and let's first of all specify the groups. It will be this context says group to list. Okay, and here we are gonna do first of all we are gonna to add this group. So groups.merge. One moment. Why it's not working? Collection.groups. Yeah, so it's not an extension one. So we are gonna to use the merge and specify the groups, the group name. So it will be the group name, and here let's provide the department ID. Yeah, so should be fine. And next, what thing we have that we have the educational program ID here. So we are going to retrieve it, but we currently do not have the property for the group of the educational program ID. Exactly program name ID. So let's go to the group. It's deriving from this one. So and let's provide here the additional field. So it will be a public int, and it will be the program name ID. And let's provide the public program name. So just this way. Here we have the relation between the group and program name, and here we are gonna to also to have the list of groups. So public list of this group, it will be groups. Yeah, so we have built the relation, and the one thing remaining is just to add this ID, and how we are gonna to get it. So here we have, one moment, program names. So either we are retrieving it or we are gonna to, yeah. So let's program name ID. Let it be int, and it will be the So first of all, better if we retrieve the program. Existing program name, and it will be the program name first default program name, yeah. So either it exists or it can be null. So and program name ID will be existing program name if it does exist, so ID, or it will be this one. And here the ID will be the program name ID. So why we are doing that? Because we will add the program ID to our group. So here currently we are not adding it, but here we can specify the not the program ID, but the program name ID. Name ID, it will be equal to 0. So also the additional parameter and department ID is now returned. And here let's also provide this ID. So group dot program name ID, and it will be program name ID. And here let's provide it too. So program name ID will be program name ID. So that's fine. And let's provide this one, program name ID. Yeah, great. So it should be working now, but this one we will not need it in this way. So ordering, and let's provide it in an ordered way, and also let's update the groups. So update menu, and let's provide the groups. So it should work now. And the last thing which we have to do is go to the groups table, and we need to add this program name ID. So where is the group? So this group, and let's design, let's add the, let it be program name ID, let it be int, and let it be probably while we have the integer, so it's better if it would be now, not now, but currently we will not set it while the default is null. So let's make it 0 here and here. Yeah, so we have set it to 0, and after that we are gonna to make it not now. So like this. And here we can test this function. So first of all here, and second one is, let it be here. And so one moment, merge groups. So, and let's look also here, one moment. So let's proceed with uploading the file, and here we have 757. Okay, next let's go to the next breakpoint. So return the group, and we what is the group name? So this group. This group. Here we have the name and ID, program name ID. Yeah. So and this one. I want also to look at this one. Yeah, so here we have the updated one. Okay, and let's go to the next breakpoint. But let's take it from here and let's see. Yeah, we have much more groups, and for example, let's look at that group. Not by ID, but it had the name. So and yeah, it should be fine. So let's update these groups. So update and update the program name. So it should be okay. So we have the updated it, and yeah, so should be fine. Okay. Next, so we have updated the groups. So we have updated with all the groups with the program name ID, and but let's see this in action. So because we have the data and it should be fine. So we have the specialty name and we have the schedule view. So the schedule view is, maybe let it be in the here in the, so we have the DTO here, lesson of the view lesson DTO. Okay, get lesson view. So and groups. Oh, we're not having. Oh, here we have the view group dialog. So the view group dialog is, for example, if we if we have the group, and we can go just with this one. So let's get the program name to this dialog. So how we can do that? Here we have get group, view group DTO. So we have this one. So let's just rename it to group view DTO. Let's give it more reasonable name, and here group select. So we have the new view group DTO, and here let's provide the program name, and here it will be just the group dot program name dot name. So it should be this way, and in the dialog, so dialog we have view group dialog. So let's provide it with group faculty department, and let's make it some Ukrainian description. So let's provide it with the group dedication not dot program name. So this way, and yeah, it should be fine. So let's check, and here in the get group, so here to your group DTO, we are just using the projection query. So we are using a queryable and we are using the projection query, so we do not need explicitly to use the include, either the include directives, so it should be everything fine. So let's run it and see if it does work. So let's go here and let's, yeah, so this value of the program, it does work. So maybe let's, yeah, so but probably, yeah, this one is not very good, but let's make it, let's check it against a bit later. So currently we have the educational programs, program values. So what we have remaining? So, and the next thing we have remaining here is this specialty name. So, and we should go to the table of this of the program. So the program, and here we should replace the name with the program name ID. So let's first of all edit as the program name ID. Program name ID, and so it will be integer key. So, and also let's add, let's make it not now. So let's first of all place it as now, and after that let's make it not now. So, and let's provide it to the model. So we have the program which derives from the name entity, and here we have program type, and next we are gonna to have these two properties. So we are gonna to have the public ID and ID of the program name ID and the program name, yeah. So just this way, and yeah, so currently we will not exclude this name property. Yeah, so because we first of all we need to update this one, so program name ID, and let's do it as the way we have done previously. So let's run once the index, and let's, so first of all programs, and not this, so I'm gonna specify not for each, no, for each is a bad idea. So for and programs count, and for each program we are gonna to add this ID. So it will be the program name ID, and it will be, yeah, we should have the program names. So program names dot first where the program name equals the program's name, and it will be ID. So we are updating this way, and after that we are gonna to save the changes to the database. So bulk update, yeah, we will update the programs. So let's run it one time. Yeah, it should have completed. So let's see the table of the programs. Yeah, so currently we have this program name ID, and after that let's remove the program name ID from the model. So here we have the program. Let's specify it, let's derive it not from the name entity but from the ID entity, omitting the name property. Yeah, but this will lead to some errors. Yeah, so what does this error? So select program name.name, next. Yeah, this you can comment. Next. Program name. Yeah, so here we have corrected it. Next. Yeah, so here we have the one case. Next. Yeah, so probably we will do that a bit later. So currently let's keep it as a name entity. So we have updated some cases of this name, but fortunately we will not complete it just today. So this will be one case for the future. And next we have updated the program name. So, and yeah, so currently we have the actual list of groups. We have these groups with the actual departments and faculties. Also we have the specialty assigned to the groups which are listed in this file. So for now it should be okay, and after that we will proceed with the other file with some other portion of data and make it aligned all together. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you have any ideas or comments, please message me. I'm really open for discussion, and see you. Bye bye.